Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. And for today's Tips and Tricks Tuesday video, we're just going to have a real quick one. I just wanted to go over the time it takes for a fluid acrylic pour painting piece to dry. It does take quite a bit of time, and that I think is one of my most asked questions is, how long does this take to dry? So I thought I would just do a quick napkin rain pour while we discuss how long it does take to dry. So a fluid acrylic painting is quite thick, and so it does take, a lot of people are surprised by this answer, but it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to dry. I leave them flat drying like this in this sort of, on the yogurt cups, just flat, for about a week and a half, and then I can put them vertical, hang them on the wall or stack them vertically, and let them not touching up together, touching up with one another at all. But I can stack them vertically with nothing touching the surface for a couple weeks. So it's a total of 3 to 4 weeks before then you would want to take and put on a sealant. And then next week we'll talk more about the sealants I use and which different sealants I use for different pour projects and stuff like that. But yeah, one of my very most asked questions is, how long will this take to dry? So the answer is basically 3 to 4 weeks is how long it'll take to dry. It'll appear dry, but it needs 3 to 4 weeks for the paint to completely cure, and then you can seal it. If you try to seal it before that, you could have an issue of trapping some moisture in there, and your sealant could look kind of cloudy, or it could just not seal properly. And so you always, just to be safe, want to wait until what they call your painting has cured. And that's the 3 to 4 weeks until it is completely cured. So yeah. And some surfaces appear that they are drier than others. Wood tends to dry super quickly. So, but I still wait the 3 to 4 weeks just to be safe. Even if with the wood it appears to be nice and dry, but just to be safe, always wait. All right, well, that was a quick video for today, just a Tips and Tricks Tuesday, how long it takes for one of these to dry. All right, I hope you guys have a great time, and thank you